Schwab's Dividend Equity ETF SCHD has been a favorite among dividend investors for years. It's had strong returns, solid dividend growth, and a loyal following. But recently, something has changed. SCHD's growth has slowed down, and many investors are wondering why. Is this a temporary setback or a long-term issue? Let's break it down. First, let's look at the numbers. Over the past few years, SCHD has been outperforming many other dividend ETFs, but in the past 12 to 18 months, its price growth has flattened. The fund still offers a strong dividend yield, but capital appreciation has lagged. So what's behind this slowdown? One major reason is sector rotation. SCHD is heavily weighted in value stocks, particularly financials, healthcare, and industrials. But since 2023, the market has been favoring high-growth tech stocks, which SCHD has little exposure to. When investors chase growth, dividend-focused ETFs like SCHD tend to underperform. Then there's the Federal Reserve. Rising interest rates have a big impact on dividend-focused funds. When rates are high, investors can get decent returns from bonds and money markets without the risk of equities. This shift has drawn capital away from dividend ETFs like SCHD, making it harder for them to grow. Another factor, SCHD's stock selection criteria. The fund primarily focuses on companies with strong dividend histories and financial stability. While that's great for income investors, it limits SCHD's exposure to high-growth opportunities. Some of its largest holdings like Pfizer and Amgen have struggled, further weighing on its performance. So does this mean SCHD is no longer a good investment? Not necessarily. Market conditions change and value stocks could come back into favor. Plus, SCHD still offers a solid dividend yield, which is attractive for long-term investors. But if you're looking for rapid growth, you might need to diversify beyond SCHD for now. What do you think? Is SCHD still a buy, or is it time to move on? Let me know in the comments, and if you want more deep dives on dividend ETFs, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.